Hi, and welcome to the 13th opening of the Mystery Booster packs from the Mystery Booster box. Let's get right into opening the pack. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Let's get that off there. Alright. Let's see what we have. We're starting off with a absent rune mark, a common white. Then we have a soul warden, also a common white there. We have a nine-tailed white fox, a blue common there. We have the essence scatter, a blue common as well there. We have a blister grub, a black common, pretty nice. Then we have a death denied, also a black common. We have an ancient grudge, uncommon red. Then we have, Orcish Oriflame. A common, just common red there. Let's see here. And we have a green feral prowler, common. We have a scatter the seeds, green common. Then we have a blood braid elf, uncommon multicolor there. Oh, I can see I messed up the order again. I'll just have to rearrange that. We have a uncommon artifact here, and I'll just rearrange these. So we have an Avalanche Riders, I think that's an uncommon red. And then for the rare we have a Sword of the Animist. And let's see what we have for the foil. We have a uncommon Geth's Grimoire, a uncommon foil there. Pretty nice looking. Alright, so let's just get these lined up a bit better. There we go. So that was the content of the 13th booster pack from the Mystery Booster box. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you have any comments for me, please leave a comment for the video. But that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye!